Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very powerful weapon, the Scar L from PubG. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and we're going to start out in the middle section here, and it's just going to be one big long rectangle. Right, so just basically one long rectangle, and if yours is longer or shorter, it's okay, it'll still be fine. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw in right in the middle here. So from this triangle right in the middle, I'm going to draw in two lines like this first. You know, it's a little bit strange, but I'm just trying to divide up the gun here. And then on this part here, I'm going to keep going out, just extending it. So this is going to be the grip. And let's see, we can actually draw, let's just draw this so we can know where we are. So right around here, just come back up, and then let's draw going out. And then from this part, we're just gonna draw in some vertical lines. Just go all the way across. And on this side here, alright, so that's going to be the front grip here. Now let's continue on to the back here. So right here, I'm going to continue with the same line just a little bit. And then now I'm going to go all the way back here. Come down past this mark. I'm going to come in and just kind of curve down. And then from this point here, we're just going to come across. Okay. And then we're going to come down. So we're going to draw, this is where the magazine is going to be. So come down here, and now come back up here. Just come down, but stop short. So there's when you close this, you should get a little bit of slant. So once we close this, we might as well just draw in the magazine. So this one's easy. Just kind of come here. Just come down, just give it a little bit of a slight curve. Come down, and then we'll close that. And then we can add in a little bit of detail. Draw in two lines like this first, and then just round off the end. And then two more. Just round it off. Alright, and then now for the handle here. So we're going to come down, straight down on us with a slant. Come back up here. Come across. This is going to be where the trigger is going to be. And then we're just going to continue this down. Let's close it off. So it should be a little bit shorter than the magazine. Okay, and then for the trigger itself, this one's easy. Just come down and just come all the way across. Just leave a little bar on the bottom. And then the trigger, just a little angle. Alright, so before we add in any more detail, let's just work on the back here. So we're going to fill in some of these shapes. So this line here, just kind of extend it a little bit. And then on the top here, one little angle, one little bump. And then for this part, we're going to curve all the way down here. Just give it a slight curve as you come down. All the way here, and then close that off. Okay, so this is kind of a strange looking shape here. And then on the back here, this one we're going to go straight. And then this one's going to be pretty straight. Right around here. And then this is going to be straight down. And then for the little softer piece here, we'll extend it a little bit. Just come out, and then we're going to close it. Just give it a slight curve going in. Alright, and let's see, since we're back here, let's just go ahead and finish up the details. So right around here, we just add in a little bit, little rectangle. There's a lot of little details on this gun. And then on the back here, just come out and then give it a little slant. Then right here, draw a little rectangle here. And then on top, a little square. And then from this point here, we just draw one line across. Alright, so that's pretty much the back. And then we can draw the side up here. Alright, so let's come up here. Just draw like a little circle. And then on the top, a little rectangle. And then one more coming out. Okay, and then for here, let's just draw in some details right here. So right in the middle, this is the middle. We're gonna come up slit from the middle a little bit. And then draw one line across. And you can use a ruler if you like. Probably make it a little bit easier. And then on top here, we're gonna draw one more line. And this one's gonna be very skinnier on the top. Okay, so after those two lines, and we'll add in the details later. Let's just go ahead and finish up the barrel. Alright, so right here, we're gonna start on the bottom. Just draw a little rectangle in here first. And then we're gonna draw one bigger rectangle right on the tip. And then now we're gonna continue with this line here, because this is the barrel. And then on the bottom here as well. Then close that off, and then just add one more section for the tip. Alright, and then back up here. So right in this area, I'm just gonna draw in two lines, and then we're gonna keep going, just extend it, close that off. And then for the side here, it's gonna be pretty long, so just make sure it's right around there. Comes up. And let's just add in one little line here for some detail. Okay, so now we can add in all those little goodies inside here. Let's just start down here. Just gonna add in two slants, same as this. And then right above here, we'll add a circle and then a little bar. Some screws there, and then here's the selector. So right above the trigger, little circle, and then we add in a little bit of a knob there, a little angle. Okay, and then up here, another bar, and then there are a lot of these little shapes here. Okay, just gonna add three in here. Let's just add a little rectangle, little circle inside. And right here, I add two little bars. Yeah, don't worry if yours is not exactly like this. As long as you have some small details, it'll look kind of cool. And then I'm just gonna add one line across. And just add in a couple more of these. And that is it for this very cool looking Scar L from PubG. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.